Yeah. Like we have to design our project.
Hmm. Yeah.
Did you guys have any ideas of what you wanted to do?
Um, not really.
Okay.
Ben, did you?
No, not really. I haven't, honestly, I haven't thought about it.
Um,
Okay.
have you, Jennifer?
Um, kind of. I don't know. Like one of the thoughts I had, and I don't know if it would be practical or not, is to figure out like the prices at grocery stores and
Mm-hmm.
how they compare to each other, like in different parts of the United States.
Mm-hmm.
Because you live in the Midwest, right, Courtney?
Yeah, I'm in Kansas.
Okay, where do you live, Ben?
I'm in Idaho. I'm in Rexburg.
Okay, so that would be the West, and I live in Canada, but I can go into the United States for the northeastern part of the United States and
Mm-hmm.
check out what the prices are there. And then we can just like go to the same store and then compare the prices of like a few different items or something like that.
It's a good idea.
Yeah. I
I
like
don't
that.
know what the requirements are. That's what I don't know. I haven't even looked.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. I'll have to look into that.
Do you wanna? So do
Then
we all have to post something? Do
Do I want to what?
we all have to post something?
I don't know if we'll have to post something, but if just one of us has to post something, I'll post it.
Okay.
yeah, wasn't that the purpose of that discussion board was like to post our idea and see if it would be a good one before we started or something like that?
Yeah, just to get feedback from people, but the design portion of our project is actually due on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
Do we want to get numbers for the South though too? Since like we'd have the West and the Midwest and the Northeast. Do we want to do the South area?
Um,
Because
I
my
don't.
family lives in Kentucky,
Okay,
and if we wanted to get numbers from the store there, I could give them the items and they could send me the prices for there.
that'd
Okay.
be cool.
So I don't know if we want to include, like, if we want to do a true study and include that region also.
Yeah, that would work.
Okay.
Um, so I don't know what stores are available by you guys, but the closest American store available to me is Walmart.
That works.
Yeah, that's fine with me. That's
Yeah.
probably the only store we're gonna be able to find. It's
Okay.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Alrighty. So we could do like food items, and then maybe we can do like we could do like I don't know, like soap or something like that, like household items. But
Yeah.
they'd have to be the same brand, so to make
Yeah.
sure that's the case.
We could just do um like a Tide washing like clothes detergent, and then we could do just make sure it's like the most generic Tide. Does that make sense?
Yeah, like
And
nothing
pictures
fancy.
of the items too to make sure we're all getting the same thing.
Okay. Well, good. I don't know if
And
we
then
should
the
do.
food items, maybe we should just stick with Walmart brand, just so we know.
Okay.
Okay.
Like just the food items, like just the Great Value brand. So it's like it's all the same
Well, I
price.
wonder if it's the Great Value brand, if it'll be the same.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know.
So maybe we should pick a day. Yeah.
Well, we could do like I don't know, like say if we did like a marinara sauce or something like that, we can do like ragu. I mean, that's pretty
Yeah.
like standard.
Yeah.
Most places. Or like if we want to do like cookies, we can do like Oreos or something like that.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. I like it.
Okay. And then maybe like I don't know if we should do like 30 different items just so we have like large group, but we'd be doing an ANOVA test because we're going to be comparing like
4.
yeah, or would it be an ANOVA? I don't know. um,
Yeah, I think it would be an ANOVA.
Yeah, because we're comparing more than two.
okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. Well, I'll think more about it. and then I'll post what we need to post on Monday.
If I come up with something and whatever, I'll let you know.
Okay.
So I'll be thinking.
Okay,
But-
cool.
Sorry I wasn't more prepared.
Oh no, it's okay. I actually just like realized it last night when I was looking over at stuff. I was like, oh no, that's due next week.
That's funny.
So that's okay.
All right, we'll get started on the quiz.
Okay.
So for the first one, I got P.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Then for 4, I put true.
That's what I have as well. And 5, I have true.
Same here.
Okay.
All right, number 6.
I got 0.750.
Same.
That's what I got.
And 7, I got 1.096.
I haven't done 7 yet. So.
I just got to 10. I was doing it before the meeting. It's like, oh, if I have 10. Do you need the formula?
Yeah, what's the formula for that? Just to write it down.
It's so I'll just give you the confidence interval. So it's p hat plus or minus the z with the asterisk, you know what I'm talking about?
Mhm.
And then the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat over n. And so the second part, the z on over after the plus and minus is the margin of error.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, got it.
So it's
Great.
kind of like what we did last week a little bit.
Okay.
So for Z, do you use the 1.9, whatever that Z score would be, or is it just
1.96.
Okay. Oh, I totally got the wrong answer. Let me try this again. What did you guys get for question 8?
For 8, I got 0.640.
Okay.
Is that what
I
you
keep getting, no, I keep getting 1.90, but that's like bigger than, I don't know.
What are your numbers?
So for the p hat, it's 0.750, right?
Yes.
Okay. So 0.750 times 1 minus 0.750 divided by 60, and then square root that, plus 1.96 and minus 0.196 or 1.96.
Let me see. If
What
you
did
can
you say? What did you say you got for your lower bound points? Okay. So
This is my.
you could put that in that Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can.
Do that then.
The one that was in the reading.
I did do that because I didn't want to deal with Excel.
Oh, it's actually really easy. All you have to do is put in the X and the N and then the conference interval.
Okay,
Or
cool.
sorry, the conference level. So I got 0.4640 for the lower and then 0.860 for the upper.
That's what I got too.
Okay, so 0.640 for lower, and then 0.860 for upper.
Yes.
Okay.
And for 10, I think it's decrease if it follows our last note from like last unit.
Yeah.
As you increase the sample size, the confidence interval decreases.
Okay, and for these ones, I kind of found something out because on the last, this might not be right, but all you have to do is pretty much times the denominator by 10. Because I'll do it in algebra, and it turns out the same thing every time. It's so funny. But,
yeah, I noticed that too.
So I got 20 and then 100, so.
Okay.
I'll do the algebra, but it always turns out to just be like that. But.
Okay.
So it's times the denominator by 10.
As far as I know, yes.
So far, it's worked.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This one I got true.
Yeah, me too.
For 13.
You get 0.60, right? Or no?
Let's see. I got 0.47.
Oh,
Yeah,
you do X over N, right? What'd you get?
0.475.
Okay. What's the test statistic?
It's negative 2.282.
How do you get that?
I put it into the spreadsheet.
Sounds good. 0.282?
Negative 2.282.
So for the p-value, you get 0.011.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
So for 17, we would reject the null, right?
Yep. Is it B?
There's sufficient evidence to conclude the water quality in the area has, I think it has decreased.
Okay.
Let's see, let me read the question really quick.
Yeah, I think it's
So,
D.
D?
That's what I think.
Okay.
Okay.
We missed one.
Which one?
Oh, the margin of error. Number 7.
Number 7, okay.
How did I miss that? Because you even put it in Excel, didn't you?
Let me see.
No, I
what
didn't. So
Mhm.
So the margin of error is 0.110.
How'd you get that? In Excel?
No, so I just did the equation that you gave us, and my final two, like, so after I square rooted everything, it came down to 1.96 times 0.056. So I did the m equals z with the asterisk times the square root of p times 1 minus p over n. The one that it gave us in the reading.
Yeah.
And then I ended up with 1.96 times the square root of 0.003. And then that ended up being 1.96 times 0.056, which gave an answer of 0.10976. And rounding all that up to 0.110.
Okay. Yeah, because if you subtract the upper bound by the lower bound and divide that by 2, I got 0.110.
What in the world? I'm still not getting it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's see. So just
You're
take
using 0.75, right? And 60.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting it. I just didn't I don't know what I was doing. Okay. Okay, so everything else is right then.
Okay. Yeah, 110 was right, or is right.
Awesome. All right. Well, let us know if you need help, Jennifer, with anything with the thing.
And then since we'll meet again on Monday, we could probably talk about it more,
Yeah.
and then I can meet after that.
Yeah. Sounds good.
All right.
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
go this video, so
Okay. Thank you. See you guys.
have a good day.
All right. You too.
Bye.